Instant Courier Rates, your urgent and time-sensitive package delivery solution provider. Let's face it, delivery errors are more than an inconvenience. In healthcare, a delayed lab result can impact patient care. In manufacturing, a missing component can shut down production lines. In business services, lost documents can damage client trust. But here's the good news: you can reduce these costly errors with smart technology. With our SaaS courier management solution, you can transform how deliveries are planned, tracked, and completed. Let's explore how. 1. Route optimization. By calculating the fastest, most efficient paths, our system minimizes delays caused by traffic or wrong directions. 2. Automated notifications. Real-time updates keep clients, drivers, and dispatch teams informed at every step. 3. Error tracking and reporting. Our analytics tools help identify patterns in delivery issues and suggest improvements to prevent future mistakes. Companies using our platform have seen a dramatic reduction in delivery errors. From faster lab results to uninterrupted production schedules, the difference is clear. Smart technology ensures that urgent deliveries happen on time, every time. Ready to reduce delivery errors and improve your operations? Start your journey with our SaaS courier management solution today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more logistics tips and insights. Go to instantcourierrates.com for free quotes on your next delivery.